Come check this out. I'm opening this up in 3, 2. Let me use my tool. It's kind of glued down there.
Zoom in, but go further.
Look at that. That's the second box. And in the bottom, there's a lot of bees. Also, look, they're building this comb, which I'll put it off. Right? Where's the smoker? Okay, I'm gonna use the smoker. Smoke the bees off of there. Okay, thanks for helping me. Just smoke them. Blow it. Stronger, stronger. Just blow. Blow on top of them. Blow them more right here. Yeah. That's good, that's good. Now, hold this for me. Some extra comb, and look at this, it's very light. You don't have to even filter it. I could just put it inside a salve very easily because it's kind of clean. I'm still gonna double clean it. It'll be extra clean, but it's already clean wax. It's not like old wax. Oh, there's also more wax right here. Let me just this. Now don't worry when I'm shaking the bees. It's not hurtful for them. They have a very strong like exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. Yeah, that's what it's called. A very strong exoskeleton. There's so many bees like flying around right here. I put this right there like that, and I'm always telling people put it the entrance hole like that. This like that. You always must know this. And there's a little hole right here, the ventilation hole. You put it. There's the ventilation hole. You put it like this. Now the bees have a way of ventilating themselves. And they could breathe easier. There's a lot of bees flying around at the entrance. We're moving on. Goodbye.